Riders, it's me Tyler, and in today's video I'm going to be cooking. We have done this before, but the footage got like messed up, so we're doing it again. But I am doing another challenge, so it's going to be really fun to see if I can cook with these
crab hands.
Crab hands, yeah. So anyways, John Jay, roll the credits.
Roll it.
Okay, so we got this spring Easter basket, morsels and more, and we're just gonna make these Easter egg nests. So we're gonna try to open it. Get in there.
Would you like my help?
Yeah.
Let me set down the camera. Hang on, I gotta put the feet out. Actually.
I can hold the camera.
Alright, you hold the camera. Ooh,
Smell good?
those smell magnificent. Oh. Alright, here, I'll trade you again.
Okay, thank you. Okay. So, I'm just gonna pour all this stuff right into the pan. And then we need to go through it and collect all these little chocolate eggs, which is going to be very difficult. Yes. These are what the eggs look like, and we're just going to collect all those little tiny eggs and put it right into the bowl. So, I'm going to have to get some help with that because, oh my gosh, doing this with gloves is going to take a minute. So we'll come back to you when we have all of those colored chocolate, whatever thingies are in the bowl. Okay, so that took a hot minute. So there's the little colorful eggs. Cute. Okay, so now we're gonna put a pan full of morsels and pretzels and put it over the stove and put it on probably 4. So now while that's cooking, we're gonna need to get some out of this, whatever this stuff's called.
Tinfoil.
Tinfoil.
Aluminum. Aluminum wrap. How do you like those crab hands?
Very nice. Love them so much. Okay.
Ooh.
Solid little. Nice. I'm gonna pop this right back in there. Ah! Okay. Let me grab this. once in a while. You can see in the bottom, it's already melting. That's very nice. Very. There we go.
Is that hard with crab hands?
Yeah. But anyways, like you said before, we actually have done this video. It's just the audio was kind of weird. So
Yeah, there was like it picked up some beat.
It was like
it picked up a music beat. It was weird. There was no music playing.
Yeah, it was very interesting. But yeah, this isn't going to take that long because it's already pretty much melted. Whoa. Okay, so we're just going to wait till this is all melted. So we'll come back to you guys when this is all creamy. Okay, so now she's all creamy and delicious. So we're gonna turn the stove off, go over to our tin foil, and kind of just do little plops, and kind of make them into like a nest shape. Since these are like nests, like that kind of. Plop down. Ugh.
So that's pretzels.
Pretzels and like butterscotch chocolate.
Butterscotch and peanut butter.
Oh yeah, it's like peanut butter chocolate chips. I don't know. It's something. It's like, yeah, no idea. But
it kind of tastes like peanut butter and butterscotch.
Yeah.
And it's got broken pretzels. That's good. That's good stuff.
Yes. Wow, that's a really nice nest. Like if I wasn't wearing these gloves, I'd like shape it and stuff into like an actual nest, but I'm not. Ugh. Nice.
It's hot. That's like hot.
Ow. It is really
Tastes
hot.
good though.
Okay, so we're gonna let this cool and then we'll be right back. Okay, so they're finally done, and you can tell because when you touch them, none of the peanut butter gets on your hand. That was already there. Then we're gonna grab our Easter eggs. We're gonna grab some and plop them right in the nest. Oh. Oh. Oh, okay. Should end up like something like that, except probably looks a lot better, and the Easter eggs aren't everywhere. But anyways, let's try them. Oh. Father.
Grazie.
City. Oh. Not bad.
What you think?
Really good.
Yeah, those are dang good.
Well, anyways, thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Dad, what are you doing?
Oh, hey. I'm just sweeping in my new apron.
Oh.
That's what I'm doing. Cleaning up our challenging cooking messes.
You're doing a great job.
It's my apron.